I am back at Universal Studios on my favorite escalators to get a quick update on Halloween Horror Nights construction. Here we are. The park is closing in like an hour, so hopefully it's pretty empty. That was my goal. This is definitely new. Weird clowns. There's a little one too. He's so cute. And this whole situation is very different. Usually the fire towers have like these big industrial crates as the base. So this is looking very fresh, very streamlined. Love that. And more clowns over here. Kind of creepy. This one's holding a sledgehammer. We love that. That's the last one with his little minion. Cute. It looks like they also put out the signs for the maze entrances. That's kind of exciting. So this right here is going to be the entrance for Monstrous 3. And right across from it is the entrance for Fallout. The haunted house is right on the other side. I don't think anything has changed since the last time I was here, but we have all these graves with different names on them. Galarza, Familia, Luciana. There's like little portraits and it's like a shrine. Lots of little details. Another little update. I don't think this was open the last time I was here. So there's lots of these little witches inside. Pretty lit. And there's Dracula. Just creeping out. This lady is also definitely new. I kind of thought she was real for a second. A couple more witches. Nice. Oh. Okay, this one's interesting. Snake, one eye. All right. This little display was added. Okay, they're fleshing this out a lot. It looks pretty good. I'm excited about this. Hogsmeade looks so beautiful at 5:30 p.m. on a Friday. Sometimes they put like a mini scare zone down here, but we're like a week away from the event starting and I don't see any props. So I'm gonna guess it is not coming back. Most likely. Nothing here. And then this is usually the entrance for like two of the haunted houses. I think this year it is Terrifier and Poltergeist. So you have to walk all the way through Harry Potter. But just on the other side of this wooden fence is where you'll access those mazes. Nothing to see right now though. The studio tour is closed, so I won't be able to check out any Terror Tram progress, but there is this scare zone over here. I'm still not sure what they're doing with this. There's like a couple props. This guy, this like outhouse looking thing says, "Beware, hell bullies." And there's like this little teddy bear. He's kind of cute though. And then there's this guy. And like a couple little walls. Not really sure what the plan is. Here is the site of the Jason Universe maze. There's somebody working in there. I just saw them moving around. But the facade is like a forest that leads up to a cabin. And then this is that retaining wall project where I'm guessing they'll probably feed the line. Down on the lower lot, here's a quick update. I don't know if this was here before, but right next to Jurassic Outfitters, there's a slash bar entrance. And like some signage up there that says Halloween Horror Nights. So I think up there you can get some drinks. This always has a huge line, so good luck out there if you decide to brave the slash bar this year. There it is. And here are also the entrance signs for Jason Universe and the Horrors of Wyatt 6. I know Jason usually enters down here. This I have no clue where it's going to enter, to be honest. Horrors of Wyatt 6. It might be like through the Jurassic World entrance over here. I think that's where you used to just go through the normal ride entrance back when they had mazes in the Jurassic World extended queue. Okay, now this is a very exciting update. They added the word canteen. They added the word canteen to the entrance here, guys. Huge update. And some of the final updates. It's probably really loud right now, but here is the entrance to Five Nights at Freddy's, right in front of Super Nintendo World. You can't see anything with the glare, but there it is. Five Nights. And then right across on the other side of Transformers, we have the sign for Scarecrow, music by Slash. And usually the entrance is right there where that guy's walking out. I'm gonna check out this single rider line for Mario Kart Bowser's Challenge. And if it's not too long, I'm going in. Not to brag, but my winning streak continues. The caution sign is a little banana. One last sign to update. The Purge Dangerous Waters is back in Waterworld. So we have that to look forward to. It is a pretty fun show. And then rumor has it this restaurant might get an overlay that's like Five Nights at Freddy's or Fallout, but currently it's still themed to Jaws. So they have a few weeks to change it over. The Witches Scare Zone is looking really good. They added a lot of new props. I was a little bit nervous about how it looked before, but it's definitely improved. And I'm still curious to see where the crows are going. I haven't seen any updates for that yet. And Hellbullies. Still a little bit confused about what that's going to be. So we'll see if anything gets added in the coming days. But thanks for watching. Bye.